Hey guys, so before we move ahead, I just want to show you guys quickly the brush that I'm going to be using to create eyelashes. So the brush name is Love Pen. Now I want you guys to follow the exact same setting that I have right here, which is from the thickness of the size to force fade out. Now it's up to you if you want to keep force fade out enabled or disabled. I actually disabled it later in the video, so if you want to do that, you can just go ahead and do that. Basically, the aim here is to keep the starting point of the stroke pretty thick and the ending part of the stroke really thin and also a little bit lighter, and that is the aim of all these settings. So before we move ahead, I just want to quickly show you guys the basic rule that you should follow when you are actually drawing eyelashes. So I'm just going to pick some random brush to show that. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually creating this upper lash line and lower lash line, and I'm going to divide these into 3 parts. And with the help of arrows, I'm just going to show you in which direction should those eyelash hair, go, in which direction they should go. Alright, so you can just take a screenshot of this if you want, or you can just kind of memorize it. It's kind of really simple. So these arrows are actually going to help you in making sure that the hair strand or the hair strokes for the eyelashes are actually, they're actually facing the right direction. So yeah, just make sure you are keeping this in mind. So before we go ahead and draw eyelashes, I'm just going to show you how the hair strand should look. So this is how each and every eyelash hair strand should look. They must be a little bit curved at the bottom, and yeah, quite flat as you go upward, or quite flat towards the end. Similarly, for the lower lash line, you're going to have a little bit of curve at the top, and they're going to appear flat at the bottom. That's how you draw eyelash hair strands. And yeah, they're really simple. If you want to practice just drawing the hair strands, you can do that. Before you want to start drawing actual eyelashes, you can just practice drawing these hair strands. So as you guys can see here, I am adding these little hair strokes, and I am facing these hair strokes in the direction where these arrows are going. So now you guys understand how to follow the direction of those hair strand. Similarly for the lower lash line as well. It's just the same, you guys. Once you learn how to draw these hair strokes, and once you keep in mind the direction of the hair strands, it's quite simple to draw eyelashes. So here I actually started drawing eyelashes without having any lash line. If lash lines help you, do draw them before you start drawing your eyelashes. So I'd recommend practicing it like this only before you get started with drawing these on your portrait paintings. So as you guys can see, it's quite similar once you kind of keep in mind where these hair strands are going, in which direction they are going, and also make sure that the hair strands are actually a little bit curved at the bottom and they're kind of thinner, at the top. So I actually drew more arrows to help you guys understand how we do it. It's easy, you guys. And one more tip when you draw eyelashes is, add more and more hair strokes over the ones you initially create. As I did here, I initially created hair strokes like a base layer of it, and then I drew more hair strokes over those to make them look thicker, to make it look thicker. I hope this is making sense. And the same way I did for lower lash line, and initially I drew one layer of hair strokes, then I added more. One more thing to remember is keep the hair short towards the tear duct of the eyes and keep them longer towards the end of the eyes, and for both the upper lash line and lower lash line. And that's how you actually draw natural looking eyelashes. On Ibis paint, I wanted to show you guys on Ibis paint because yeah, a lot of people use Ibis Paint, and it's a really good app to use. And yeah, I love using Love Pen for drawing eyelashes or eyebrows. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. If you found this helpful, let me know down in the comment section below. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.